So welcome back to the MS Word video series. In the last class we discussed about the basics of the table, and now we are going to discuss some other options about the table. Now if you want to put design on the table, you can also do that. Simply you have to click here and the whole table will be selected. After that, if you want to apply any design, you can also do that from here. Now I'm going to reduce the size of the table like this, and after that if you want to apply this color or whatever you want to apply, you can also do that. If you want to shade the background, you can also do that. Simply you have to select the cells. Simply you have to select the cells. After selecting the cells, you have to select the color like this one, and after that like this one. So that's up to you. In the table design tab, you have the options for the table designing, and so these are the basic options. You can use them by yourself too. After that, we have a layout tab. In the layout tab, we have the option which is called draw table. If you want to draw the table, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the draw table. You will get a pencil. You can create your own columns and cells. Now I want column here, you can also create a column. If you want a row here, you can also get a row. If you want to create a new table, you can also do that like this. If you want to create any other column like here, this is new column. If you want to create a row like this, you can also do that. It's up to you. You can create a column or row anywhere wherever you want, like here, like here. So this is the function of draw table. After that, we have erase. With erase, you can erase the borders of the table like here, and you can erase the table borders, column borders or row border. Like I want to erase this one, I want to erase this one, or I want to erase this whole. So this will be erased. Like I want to erase this one, erase this. So this is the function of erase option. You can erase the borders with this erase. After that, you have a delete. If you want to delete any cell, column, row or table, you can also do that. Simply you have to put the cursor there and then click on the delete cell. It will press on the OK, it will be deleted. If you want to delete the row, you have to click on it and row will be automatically deleted. So I hope for this class these three options are enough, and about other options we will discuss in the next video. So see you in the next video.